DC-DC converter. In this video, we will show you how to solder a DC-DC converter onto the PCB. Using the instruction manual, identify the correct component that you need to solder. Carefully remove the component from the packaging. Identify the correct location on the PCB, using the manual and the PCB markings to help. Match the component to the shape marked on the PCB. This component can only be fitted in one orientation, so do not try to force it to fit in the wrong way around. With this component, you should not bend the legs. Holding it in place, turn the board over, ensuring that the component is flat. If this is tricky, you can also use blue tack. Next, solder two of the legs in opposite corners to the board. Use the soldering video for more information if you need more help. This should hold the component in place. Turn the board over and check that it is still flat. It is difficult to reposition the component once all the legs are soldered, so it is good practice to check. Solder the rest of the legs to the solder pads in turn. Because the legs are close to each other, make sure not to create a short circuit while soldering, and that each joint is separated from another. You can use a magnifying glass to check if you are unsure.